Okay, so now we're trying to ride a donkey. I hope this time the live video will work because it stopped again a few minutes ago. So let's see what's happening.
Neydi ismi?
Neyin?
Köpeğin.
Kurt. Hadi gezelim.
Hadi çekeyim seni biraz çek.
So here we have the donkey, we have the sheep, we have tractors, we have goats. This is farm life, real farm life. So this is not one of the commercial rides, it's just natural. He looks a bit nervous.
Ne gitmeyeceğim hadi. Eşek bak.
İn hadi. Hadi gel.
Oh,
Çekemedi seni.
25 kiloyum.
Oo.
Kaç?
what an experience.
O çok
Fazla
ağır be.
geliyor ki bu. Hadi kızım.
So yeah, we all need to take our kids out in the nature to get to see the life in villages.
Bekle dönelim. Buradan.
This is brilliant. It's a wonderful experience, and I hope he'll never forget these days. And this is the journey of our lives.